So you know content is important, but what if you run out of ideas? Here is a way where you can never run out of content ideas. Now, when you shift your perspective on content from content creation to content documentation, it makes things way easier. So what do I mean by that? I have a folder on my desktop here that has hundreds, if not thousands, of content ideas, and I've saved them over the years. And what are they? They're nothing that was birthed from some sort of genius idea. Instead, I just document my life. Sometimes when I'm recording videos like this, I'll take a screenshot, or when I have the pleasure of doing webinars or Zooms with other guests, or when I'm chatting with a lead, or if somebody sends me a Facebook message, or the people that you engage with, do you impact them or do they impact you? Like what you're watching so far? Do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe. Back to the video. When you have a moment where you think somebody or somebody thinks you, take a screenshot. You can blur it out and you can remove the sensitive stuff. But when you invite people into your life, it makes things way easier because documentation is a lot less overwhelming than content creation. There's a lot less of an obligation, but it's still the same high quality. If not, it's better because you're inviting people into your personal life. So if you want to avoid burnout and never run out of content ideas, shift your focus from content creation to documentation. We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.